Rocket Lab has exploded higher plus 6.70% to $109.25, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Wednesday, June 17th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by minus 0.57% at $7,511.35. Investor sentiment is being shaped by why NASDAQ and S&P 500 are sliding while world rallies bane crypto. NASDAQ 100 is down minus 1.89%. Trading at $29,968. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.64% at $52,000. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,889. The move follows reports that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,481. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, tech stock squared. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab surged plus 6.70% to $109.25 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RKLB stock jumps overnight. Rocket Lab lines up record launch blitz after NASDAQ 100 entry, Yahoo Finance. ASML plunged minus 4.69% to $1,803.89 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. JP Morgan made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.68% to $331.14. Equity markets are responding to reports that can JP Morgan Chase stock reach $400 in 2026? TKR.com. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.53% to $425.83. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Dow marks record high, S&P 500, NASDAQ slip ahead of Fed decision, tech stock squared. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude slipped to $78.76 per barrel, down 0.25% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. WTI crude dipped to $75.10 per barrel, down 1.25% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Natural gas ticked up to $3.25, up 0.4% on the session. The move follows reports that banks/oil price forecasts after US-Iran breakthrough, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Gold ticked up to $4,346.70 per troy ounce, up 0.36% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold fails the safe haven test again. Fisher Investments. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $115.81 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.12% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.01% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.19, losing 0.02% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Yardeni weighs SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.